Hey everybody, Chef Greg here with Chef Ben Holt. We're making some chimichurri chicken thighs. With everything that's going on right now in the industry, everybody's after the chicken breast and the chicken wings. You can't get them. The chicken thigh is by far, in my opinion, obviously in Ben's opinion, you're having the best part of the chicken not being utilized. The chicken thigh is far less expensive, stays moist, it holds fantastic, it's great flavor, it takes on great marinades, which brings me to what we're doing this chicken thigh in. Chef Ben made a chimichurri, and how'd you make the chimichurri?
So the chimichurri is garlic, parsley, lemon juice, lemon zest, and red chili peppers. It's also with a little red wine vinegar and olive oil.
Fantastic. So we marinated the chicken thighs in that, and we're going to use our grill insert inside of the combi oven so that we can get some nice grill marks and a good sear on it so you can have the crispy skin. We'll let you guys see how it goes. Hey guys, so we're just getting back and the timer is just going off and we're gonna pull these chickens out. You're able to get so many great flavors from that chicken and it adapts to whatever you give it. We're doing chimichurri now, but we've done shawarma in the past, Korean barbecue, lemon pepper. We had the jalapeno honey, which was great. It's the combi oven that really makes it possible to do all these different options because you're able to smoke, grill, roast, bake, sous vide, all these different experiences that you can give to your guests day in and day out. Here you go, guys. Hope you enjoy. I know we are. With Henny Penny as your partner, you've got this.